Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. Shasta Daisies is a highly popular herbaceous perennial valued for its prominent and spectacular floral display, and it's attractive. Lush dark green foliage which provides weeks of colours starting early or mid-summer. Extremely easy to grow, hardiness zones are from 4 to 8. There is a Shasta daisy for every garden and every taste thanks to the profusion of cultivators presenting different levels of compactness, floral size, flowering type, longevity or repetitiveness of the blooming period, and great for attracting the butterflies to the garden. Shasta daisies grow in upright clumps of stiff stems reaching up to 2 to 4 feet in height and bearing beautiful white or creamy yellow flower heads with yellow centers. They thrive in full sun and enjoy fertile, moist, well-drained soils. Light shade is tolerated specifically in hot summer areas. Some of the good points of Shasta daisies: they are excellent choices for perennial borders, cutting gardens or naturalizing meadows while being robust, low maintenance and highly disease free. If you want to see more of my episodes, search for The Great North Gardener or subscribe.